How to turn on Touch ID on Messenger on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the Settings icon. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. In Security section, look for App Lock and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option to require Touch ID to open Messenger. Turn on Require Touch ID. Messenger may ask you to confirm your fingerprint using the Home button. Once it's enabled, Messenger will require your Touch ID after the app has been locked according to the setting you choose. You can also choose when Messenger should require Touch ID, such as immediately after leaving the app or after a certain period of time. That's how you can lock Facebook Messenger with Touch ID on your iPhone 8 Plus and add an extra layer of privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.